Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2018 GLS 450 4MATIC. This one's black. Underneath the hood's a 3-liter V6 twin turbo pushing out 362 horsepower and 369 pounds of torque. This one does come with brushed aluminum running boards. Also comes with the appearance package, which is going to give you 20-inch twin 5-spoke alloys and illuminated running boards. We've got front and rear LED daytime running lights. Also comes with the lighting package, which is going to give you an adaptive high beam assist and full LED headlamps. We've got a black MB Tex interior, panorama sunroof, plenty of space in the back, third row seating. And around back we've got a trailer hitch, GL 450 4MATIC badging, power lift gate, clean set of floor mats, fold down third row seats. Coming alongside, this one does come with the Premium 1 package, which is going to give you a blind spot assist, Harman Kardon sound system, an anthracite poplar wood trim, memory seats, power windows, heated steering wheel. Up and in. Also included with this is our lane tracking package, which is going to give you a blind spot assist, lane tracking package, and lane keeping assist. We've got our steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance, navigation. Start it up. We've got a parking assistance package, which is going to give you a surround view backup camera with front and rear sensors, hard keys for a media display, heated seats, dual climate controls, touchpad and wheel for our infotainment center. This GLS 450 has 35,899 miles. Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLS 450, check out feldmanimports.com.